Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to manually upload activity from Garmin Connect to Strava. Are you having trouble manually uploading your activity from Garmin Connect to Strava? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. On your Garmin device, locate the activity you want to upload to Strava. Export the activity as FIT or GPX file. After that, open Strava. On the top left corner, you'll see an Add button. Click on it and select Manual Activity. After doing this, click on Choose Files and select the FIT or GPX file you exported from Garmin device. Review the activity details and make necessary edits, then click Upload to add your activity to Strava account. This allows you to manually upload individual activities from Garmin Connect to Strava without needing to sync all your activities. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution for this, it's better that you contact Strava customer support.